I'm coming from France, so I'm going to drive the Ford Puma Rally 1 for the M Sport Ford World Rally team. And here in Kenya, it's a really special and unique rally because it's a really rough. We are driving in the middle of the wide with a lot of wildlife crossing in front of us, etc. It's a big challenge for the body. We know the rain is also coming, so we're sure it's going to be a big challenge. We can expect like really big rocky places, the rocks everywhere where we can damage the car. We can have an unexpected animal crossing in front of us, so we have to avoid it, or where we can damage the car, things like that. With the rain coming, we can expect like a lot of water, standing water, like water splash, etc. So we will be covered of mud, etc. So it's going to be a challenge.
Fish from Poland. We are driving a Skoda Fabia Rally 2 car, and we are happy to be here. It's the third time for us. We expect a really tough rally with different conditions, from dry to really wet roads. So it will be really interesting following those 3 days here, and we look forward. We try to prepare, but of course it's impossible to prepare for those conditions because they are unexpected. So we try our best and we hope for a good rally.
Well, first of all, my name is Diego Dominguez. I'm from Paraguay. This is my third time here in Kenya. I've done this safari twice. Last year I won my category, and this year we decided to step up to WRC2. We will be driving a Citroen C3 Rally 2, and for sure it's going to be very, very tough. I think the roads are tougher than last year, so definitely it's going to be very tricky. And hopefully with any luck we'll get a good result. Expect to finish. Now that we're in this bigger category, for sure it's going to be more difficult. A lot of very fast drivers, very experienced drivers, and we'll try to get the best result we can, but maybe podium would be good.
Yeah, of course I try to be on the podium again, but going to be big challenge for everybody, and it cannot be like optimistic. I mean, will be big challenge anyway, so I need to be patient, and through the other stages they will be good. Yeah, this run was the toughest run in the WRC calendar, so I just prepared from the previous years, like what kind of race you can go cut, but what kind of race you need to slow down. So yeah, last 3 years car has been very strong, so I'm not out with our car, but still this season will be a big challenge because of the weather and the conditions, so need to be patient.
Haya, hatugetigana na icio tuthie na mbere ni ati munini wa